Tech is future and the future is tech. This phrase has become a common saying in a time that is entirely dominated by technology. We feel that tech gadgets are all about making your life easier and more enjoyable. The purpose of electronic gadgets is to make life fun and easy. You can organize your daily activities and more by using these gadgets. So in this video, we have put together some advanced and interesting gadgets based on their popularity. Let's start. Number 1. AirTag Tracker. Apple's affordable AirTag Tracker is a must-have tech gadget for any iPhone owner because it can seamlessly keep tabs on just about anything you attach it to. When out of your iPhone's range, the AirTag will update its location when it comes in proximity to a device that's part of Apple's Find My network. There are almost a billion of them. The AirTag is water and dust resistant with an IP67 rating, and its replaceable battery can last up to a year. Number 2. SoundLink Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker. The all-new Bose SoundLink Flex Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker is a solid contender for the product category's best offering. Available in black, white, and blue, it has an elegant design and an IP67 waterproof housing that can even float in water. Sound-wise, the SoundLink Flex delivers a signature Bose experience with excellent quality. Up to 12 hours of battery life, a USB-C charging connector, and a handy fabric loop round up its key features. Number 3. Nebula Cosmos Laser 4K Projector. TVs aren't always ideal for replicating the cinema experience. For that, you might need a projector, and one of the literal and figurative heavyweights in this space is the Anker Nebula Cosmos Laser 4K Portable Projector. This bulky piece of hardware lets you enjoy a crystal-clear picture at 3840 by 2160 resolution and a brightness of up to 2400 ISO lumens. It also includes autofocus, auto keystone, and auto screen fit features. What's more, it has a pair of 10-watt speakers for low to mid frequencies and a pair of 5-watt tweeters for high frequencies. All you'll need now is some popcorn to enjoy your movie with. Number 4. Ray-Ban Stories. Ray-Ban glasses have long been a staple for many fashion-forward folks. The device features a camera on each lens, allowing you to snap photos or record video without having to pull up your phone. It also has built-in audio drivers to play music close to your ears. The idea of putting meta-developed cameras on your face might be disconcerting for some, given the tech giant's track record when it comes to data privacy. Still, this is a cool device that sort of hints at what the future might hold for smart wearables. Number 5. Smart Cube. Now that the gadget world is taking over, we have smart, connected cubes, and one of the good ones is GoCube Speed Cube. The cube connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth and shows the data in real time. You can also set timers, compete with others, and many more fun things on the phone app. The app is available for both Android and Apple users. Features you may like: Smart 3x3 Speed Cube. Smartphone app connects via Bluetooth. Rechargeable battery, 3D sensors, LED indicators. Number 6. Moxie Robot. It is a cutting-edge robot companion created specifically for kids. Moxie was created when a group of robotics, engineers, neuroscientists, creative storytellers, and child development specialists collaborated. Altogether, they created this ingenious robot that teaches youngsters how to interact with each other and learn new abilities. Moxie is a socially assistive robot for children. It fosters social, emotional, and cognitive learning through play-based learning and engagement in the shape of a lovely character. It might look like a toy, but it is much more than that. Number 7. Meta Quest 2 Virtual Reality Headset. The preeminent gaming VR headset on the market continues to blossom. The Oculus Quest 2 features a growing library of games, and it's becoming an increasingly intuitive VR unit. Bonus points because yes, it can support major computer gaming thanks to the Oculus Link cable. Number 8. Fitbit Versa 2. Fitbit and Apple Watch have long been battling for supremacy in the smartwatch space, and Fitbit has taken the lead with its latest product, the Versa 2. The Fitbit Versa 2 is more affordable, more versatile, and has longer battery life than the other leading smartwatches. It has dozens of fitness and health apps, from sleep tracking to real-time exercise tracking to resting heart rate measurement. Top features: Amazon Alexa built-in, battery life of 4 to 6 days, choice of 6 sleek designs, including special edition copper, rose aluminum. Number 9. GoPro Max. The GoPro brand is so dominant that it's almost become a generic term for action cameras, like Kleenex is for tissues and Sharpie is for permanent markers. If you're buying a GoPro for someone as a gift, then go for the GoPro Max. Equipped with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, this action camera can switch between various modes, including single-lens hero-style video, 6K 360-degree footage, and max time warp. GoPro also sells a range of accessories. Number 10. Amazon Kindle Oasis. Somehow, Amazon manages to keep making its Kindle ebook readers better and better. The Kindle Oasis has all the same features as older versions, such as built-in Wi-Fi and access to millions of books, newspapers, and audiobooks. It also has a bunch of new features, such as the latest e-ink technology for fast page turns. Have a friend or family member who loves reading? This is the best gadget gift you can get them. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications.